Hey guys, and welcome to episode 13 on how to make a multiplayer survival arena game using Unity's Unet system. So in this video we're going to do what we did previously and have a topic-less episode where we bring everything together to make a playable game. So I guess that's the topic, bringing everything together. Hashtag YouTube video title. Okay, so let's see what happens when we try enter a game. We press ready. And as you can see, this is not an interesting game to look at. Can't do anything. What's the go? Alright, so first thing we're gonna have to do is take away the lobby panel. So we can do this in, I found a couple ways you can do this, but I think doing this in the player setup is best. So let's just do it here. So to get rid of the lobby panel, we can get reference to the lobby panel here if we wanted to, but why would we do that if the lobby manager already contains that information? So all we have to do is say lobby manager dot lm singleton dot lobby panel dot set active dot game object dot set active to false. So once a player is set up in the scene, first thing it's going to do is remove the lobby panel and then proceed to set up the player for each client. So after we did that, we can just go ahead and see how far we've come. Create game, ready up. Okay, cool. So now the lobby panel is out of the way when we load in, which is good. Or now we have to get rid of the crafting system. So go to the crafting system script, and anywhere we'll say, because what we are doing with the inventory system, when we press a button then it shows, so we'll do that here as well. So let's just actually remove the unneeded update function, and up here we'll say get reference to the input manager, and down here we say input manager equals find object, not objects, of type input manager. Cool, and let's default it to false here, and we'll just say false. It's by default, if it true is not specified, it defaults to false, but we'll just say it's false here. And we might have to bring back the void function, so we'll just get back the update function. And this is probably not the best optimal, this is not the optimal way to go about of doing this, because update is very inefficient of what we're trying to do, but we're not caring about that right now. So saying this, we can just go ahead and say input manager. If input manager dot get button down, can't even remember what it was. What was it? Get key down. dot get key down, and we'll say crafting system. Oops, didn't close the brackets here. And here we just say if show craft system equals not the opposite of what it is now. So if it starts false, then we say, alright, the opposite of what it is now is true, and this is just an easy way of going from true to false. Cool. And if you guys think ahead, and if you can see here, you can see the problem we're going to be fixing next. So here we press ready, and the only thing we have left to do, because I'm an idiot and deleted it in another video accidentally, I wasn't paying attention what I was deleting, but in our scene we don't have a input manager anywhere, so we have to rebuild it. So I think we had it last on this page, or maybe on the network manager, I believe. But instead, now we're just going to create its own thing. So let's create an empty game object and say this one is input manager. And under this, we're going to say create a panel. So we're just recreating the input manager from before, and we'll just make it really quick, down a bit like that. Ooh, I just realized in the hierarchy it's not where we want it to be, so under here we have to create a new canvas and drag the panel down to it. Cool. And we'll just rename these input manager canvas input settings, and let's just get rid of this for now so we can see what we're doing. And here I think, what did we have, a vertical layout group, and okay, so let's see what happens when we put the input manager script on here, input manager, and let's see what we need to put in here. Nothing? Cool. And we have to, for this, also drag on the keys script, key binding scripts, and we'll drag that to the input manager canvas. And let's drag in the inputs menu. And I just realized that I am again an idiot. We don't have to recreate it, so everyone settle down. We had dragged the input manager onto the lobby manager, so I feel like an idiot. So okay, so for now we'll come back to it, see what happens when we activate this canvas here. And let's test it now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have this and we don't get something, so we have a couple errors here. Okay, and yep, that's the error here. We just added a new craft system key here, and we don't have it. So what we do is go and add it to the button keys. So button keys, oops, equals key code dot C for now, I guess. And we probably need one for the inventory as well. So let's say button keys open inventory equals key codes dot I. So let's just open up. So let's open up the inventory script, and here we'll have to do the same thing for the so input manager inputs equals find object of type input manager input manager inputs dot get key down. What do we make it? Inventory. Easy enough. Cool. So let's see what other errors we were getting. Okay, no, let's see what happens. And there we have it. We have fixed everything that we needed to. If we grappling hook, cool beans, and actually we'll need to fix these. Alright, so we have this panel's settings to change. So actually, before we do that, we need to delete the other input manager that we were creating before. Sorry about that. I was a bit silly. Preemptive. So actually, we can go ahead and delete this panel, and we can just keep the settings button panel. And let's see what what the aren't or are doing. So let's just go back. So where is this coming from? There. Okay. So what is the input menu doing? This on-click function. Very interesting. Okay. So why isn't it opening? Okay, let's try this. Let's see what happens when we remove this. Okay, so now it shows. So let's go to the input manager, and let's say on enable, we're going to say don't destroy on load this game object. Now let's see what happens when we go about our way with this. So let's disable this, and let's go back to our game. Create a ready, and escape, and press the input manager, and now it shows up. Cool beans. So it was something we were doing, something about the input manager that wasn't working, showing the input menu correctly. No matter, everything is how it should be, except for the disconnect button. And all we have to do is say, I believe we already have a disconnect button in the... No, we don't. No, we do not. Okay. And you know what? I think all we have to do is take the remnants from the old connection manager and let's just put it in here. So take the disconnect from the connection manager, so it's useful still, and copy and paste it to here. And all we have to do here to make it work is say using Unity engine dot networking and derived from network behavior. Oh no, what we have to do here is a match, and we get this match info, and we just have to change this to lobby manager, lobby manager, lobby manager, lobby manager, and go ahead and put that on the settings button. No, it is in game that we have to change it, which means it's on the prefabs of the, I believe, the player. No, it's not on the player. So let's try the player HUD. See if it's okay. There it is. So it's on the player HUD, pause menu, and on the disconnect button. How will we do this? We can actually just drag it over. It's I don't remember, how did we do it last time? Let me think. And we're getting an error here. We just quickly change this to back to mono behavior. I forgot we were going to use match. And here, okay, so let me leave room. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's apply, remove. Okay, so create the game, ready, escape, disconnect. Okay, so what is applying that disconnect button there? Very interesting stuff. Ah, I think we are delegating it. So I think we are doing it in the... So here in the pause menu, we say, instead of getting the connection manager, we are getting the lobby manager. No, not the lobby manager. We're getting the lobby manager, lobby main menu, and main menu lobby. We should clarify lobby main menu, and say the connection manager. Instead of connection manager, we're getting the lobby main menu, and replace it here. Okay, so I felt so long ago that we were in the pause menu, but now I think everything should work perfectly. So let's create the game. Ready again. Check if the inputs are working, this is working, and disconnect. Okay, so we are disconnecting, but we want to set this back to active so we can play again. which is pretty easy, which we just go to the main menu and say lobby manager dot main menu. Oh no, I think it's right here, isn't it? Oh no, we actually just have to be using the singleton dot main. What did we call it actually? Let's stop trying to be cool, and we said let's make this public, and we can just take away that. And here, just again say lobby manager dot main menu panel dot game object dot set active to true. And because I saw it before, let's say main menu. Main menu, or is it here? Yeah, here we just say main menu match dot text is equal to nothing, so we clear it again. So you'll see what I mean by this. So okay, let's go full circle. Try it again. Create the game. Ready up. Play around this grappling hook. And we probably need this. We should probably make a dummy target to shoot at, but it's all good for now. Okay, so let's press disconnect, and we go to the main menu script, and this is empty. So we are starting fresh. And if you wanted a main menu thing, we'll probably make one eventually. So a main menu, so this will be a main menu is like play single player, multiplayer, lobby, or like whatever you want to do, and then this will be the secondary thing when you press multiplayer or lobby, whatever. This wouldn't be the thing you turn back to. If you you can if you want. It's up to you. It's your game. It's all yours. And this works as well. Cool. Okay. So this was a fairly short video compared to the other ones previously. But now we have a working game as so far, thankfully. Comment below. So I'm running out of ideas to what to do. Like I have a basic list of things like let me read this list. So I'm getting fishing, tree chopping, tree climbing, traps, mining, get a bow system. I still have to work on the gun system, the advanced gun system. I have to make a mini map, weather system, planting, building, so like tents and whatever. A save and load system. That's interesting for a multiplayer game, and it'll be interesting to see how I do this with Unet system. So we will have to send the saved data, and the other clients are going to have to download it, or they're going to have to yeah, they're gonna have to download it. It's gonna be interesting. Hope you guys like that one. And yeah, so like if you have any ideas. Oh, and we got cave systems as well. That'd be cool for Unity, even not just multiplayer, but to do it in Unity would be cool. So yeah, like, I need ideas, guys. I can be doing these videos heaps, so I'm planning to do a lot of them, so keep giving me ideas, please. Any ideas you want to see in a survival game, and if you want to see it networked. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.